guys, Scott here with JReviews to review something that I got a great deal on, my new timepiece. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's Scott here. Let me go ahead and give you a quick unboxing on my new watch. This is something that my wife got me for Christmas, and I'm just really excited to show it to you. It's very nice, got a great deal on it, and I'll share some of the details about the pricing and things like that in a moment. But what the specific watch is, it is called the BM6988-57E. It's from the Drive line from Citizen. It is an Eco Drive watch with a black mesh band, and it retails for $220 on their website. But I'm going to go ahead and share with you where I got it, how much I paid for it, etc. Go ahead and take it out of the box. First of all, this box is very nice. I'm used to Citizens having kind of a round box with a little cover. This guy has it's very nice. And obviously when I bought it, I had foam on top. But anyway, let's go ahead and take the watch out of the box. And just kind of initial impressions here. It's just very good looking. It's very simple versus some of maybe my other watches that maybe aren't so simple. But this is an Eco Drive model, so it is solar. It's my first solar powered watch, which I'm very excited about because I just hate having to go change the batteries on my watches, because sometimes the batteries that they give you just aren't that great. I mean, I've had several watches where I took the watch in to replace the battery, and then about a month later the battery dies. So it's just a big pain in the butt. With these Eco Drive, really any solar powered watch, you don't have to mess with it. You don't have to open it ever, so the waterproofing stays for pretty much the length of the watch. But some of the details about the watch: it is stainless steel. The band itself is a sliding clasp type. So it's basically infinitely adjustable. You just basically pop this up, and then you can slide this wherever you want on the band. And then this guy just kind of clamps on to that piece on the other side. Case size is 42 millimeters. So again, my wrist, I do not have a very large wrist at all. So here's kind of how it looks on the wrist. That's kind of how it looks on the wrist. Again, I do not have a big wrist at all. I have quite a small wrist, to be honest with you. And it actually works very well even on my wrist. So you can see that. It looks great. I really like it just for its simplicity. It does have hour hand, second hand, and minute hand. It also has the date over here. But again, like I said, I just like it because my other watches are kind of not cluttered, but they just have a lot to them. The case material is also stainless steel. It is water resistant to 333 feet or 10 bar. So it's a swimming, showering, and snorkeling. So pretty much everything. It is completely waterproof, although I probably will never take it in the water because I have watches kind of specifically designed for that are plastic, etc. The crystal on this is a mineral crystal, and again, it does have 3-hand with date. Okay, so that's pretty much all the details of it. I've seen nothing but good reviews on it. But again, so here's this watch next to my ME211. I believe that's the part number on it. And again, you're just gonna see how much simpler it is, right? I do love this watch because it does have so many little, I gotta wind it to get the second hand working, because it is an automatic. It's dual, it's automatic, and then the actual normal time is a battery. So I always love that feature about it. But again, if you look at the size in terms of the depth of it, this is significantly slimmer, even though it is an Eco Drive, than this guy. However, again, this one does have all the automatic features in it as well. And then this one is just kind of a basic, not a G-Shock. It's like the cheap G-Shock from Walmart, 20 bucks. Just again, size comparison there. Right, so it's approximately the same circumference with all the buttons and everything as this one is. I mean, the face of this watch is quite large. It's a great watch, especially for the price. The price that I got it at JcPenny, they had this guy retail for pretty much the same price. They had it, I mean, it said MSRP is $250, and according to Citizen's website, that actually is the MSRP, it says is $275. Citizen on their website has it for $220. After all the discounts, this guy was like 45% off, and they had a special deal going. I ended up getting this watch for $122, I believe that is what it came down to. So basically half price It's a great looking watch, and I know JcPenny has it for, like I said, about $120 right now. So go pick it up if you like it. If you have any questions on it, please like and subscribe to the channel. Comment below if you have, like I said, any questions, and we will go from there. All right, guys, this has been Skywatch Reviews. Thanks for watching, and take care.